Show you guys how to make a burrito. Ooh, frosted flakes. Okay, so you're gonna put a lid on top of it. Yeah. Then put it in the microwave for 1 minute. And you take it back out. Oh shit. Then you gently flip it over. There you go. Put the lid back on, and then you put it back. Then you put it back in for another 30 to 45 seconds. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's done. Oh, holy shit. Oh god. Okay, now you can eat it. Oh fuck! And you can top it with some Hershey syrup, or some Sprite, or some Pepsi, or some barbecue sauce, or any of whatever this shit is.